Hello, this is Emily Carter, and this is my original song, Your Girlfriend is a Cunt. Enjoy. Hey, it's been a while, how's your newest fix? Seems she's got a taste for a mouthful of dictionaries, haven't enough words to say. Which I'd like to claim. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt. She's as false as Santa Claus and just as bad. In treating you well, you know she surely lacks. Cheating on you, bitching at you night and day. It's a wonder that she hasn't made you gay. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Calling you at 3 a.m. just to yell. Oh my god, I saw this bitch posted a hey on your Facebook wall. Who the fuck is she? Making your financial life a living hell. Okay, if you want me to come see you, you have to pay for my gas money and my phone bills so that I can text all my friends while we're hanging out. Can't you see she's crazy and unhealthy too? Okay, I'm gonna fuck all your friends and tell you about it and still take your picture while you're sleeping. I'm just saying this because I care about you. Your girlfriend is a cunt. 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 Thank you. Hey, here's something a little different. This is called Taking Skinny Blonde Girl to Dinner. Therapist of mine, I kind of wanna die. My life is full of problems, yeah, my life is rife with strife. Been on Prozac for so long I can't remember how to feel. The Klonopin is kicking in and I'm trying to steal a glimpse of hope, but I can't find it. Depression is a vicious foe. Genetics and a stressful time have fucked my ability to cope, but I'm taking skinny blonde girl out to dinner this week. The most beautiful girl in my school who wants to go out to eat. I guess life isn't all that bad. Therapist, you see, I'm rather unhappy. I'm worried about my grandma, see she's losing memories. She fell down the stairs yesterday and now she has a sprain. Not only is her mind going, she's also in some pain. My lineage is faulty, I guess my family is a fucking mess. I can't escape their bullshit, it's no wonder I'm depressed. But I'm taking skinny blonde girl out to dinner tomorrow. For a bit my life will be completely devoid of sorrow. I guess life isn't all that bad. It's true, I've always been quite blue, a ball of negativity since early on in youth. Anxiety has filled my dreams since I could fathom death, and I've cried about it since then. Happy childhood be damned. Kids picked on me sporadically and faggot was a favorite. I guess I'll stop complaining though, cause none of them can say shit. Cause I took skinny blonde girl out to dinner today. My heart swells at the thought of it in glorious array. I guess life isn't all that bad. My heart forgets its purpose to set a tired head straight. But love is understanding. Love will always wait. I took skinny blonde girl out to dinner, that's right. She dropped me off when we were done. The stars never as bright. She told me that she cared so deeply, and it shone in blue eyes and the briefest touch no one will ever know. Don't give up on yourself. Love runs wide and deep. I promise you there's reason to cherish the life you keep. Thank you.